Do you know it's that time for a tutorial when I'm getting very anxious, frustrated? I've got this project like over 100 pages, a magazine that I'm busy doing, and I want to remove this page here on the right. But this is what happens. So if I go in here, and I've gone to documents and everything, set up, and gone to model, disable facing pages, but then it drops it to 1, reflow, all that. It wasn't doing what I needed to, but this was the problem. So if I went to the single page, yeah, so I'm going to delete this. If I go in and I say delete, check what happens. This column moves to the right, and the one on the right moves to the left, and everything is flipped now. I'm sure if you have it as a single piece of text, it wouldn't be a problem. But if you have two columns, this is now flipped around. So I'm going to go Control Z and undo it. So you can see this is the dilemma here. These things are flipped, and then all of the stuff start to flip down the way. So how do you get to do it? And let's see what solutions there are for that. So you might ask, what is the solution? I thought it's something complicated. I was about to start to drag this column across here and redo it that way. And here's the solution. It's actually quite simple and will take probably a lot of frustration away. So you go to your pages over here. You go to the top here, you see his pages. There's the little burger menu there. When you click down there, then you'd go to page move options. And there you see the reflow also that we saw under the document setup. Okay, but if you go here under page move options, there's this one that says anchor towards spline. Now if we read that, when content is moved from one side of a spine to the other, controls whether you maintain the distance to the center of the page or the distance to the page edge nearest. So this says it must anchor it towards the spine. In my case, I want to disable that. So if I uncheck that, let's just go look there again. Okay, it's unchecked. And now if I go in, and just make sure you don't select both pages if you're just wanting to delete the one. If I right click and I say delete, look what's going to happen. Check this out here, okay? That's left, right, left, right. If I press delete now, boom, there it comes correctly. Okay, so I was going to stress now, so hopefully that helps you and might take a major amount of stress away from you. Have a fantastic day, be blessed, and shalom to everybody.